Happy Tuesday evening, everyone. This is Julie HR, and I've had a ton of questions about, do I have an employee roster? And the question is, yes, I do. As far as it's in my Etsy store, I'll link the link to purchase it below in the description, but I wanted to go over it with you really quick. As you can see, employee ID, first name, last name, position, department, supervisor status, classification, employment type, rate, annual salary, hire date, and years of service. And you'll note that I color coded these: accounting, administrative, communications. So when it clicks down to it, it'll go to it. And you'll see that I also did it for, you can see drop downs right here. These are the drop downs. Okay. But note that I did color code it. If you're unaware of how to color code and whatnot, just let me know and I can send you over a quick video, or I'll just do another one on separately. But this roster is very, very comprehensive. Status, you can change it, these to part-time, exempt, non-exempt, salary, hour, other. It just changes the color. And years of service. I don't know if a lot of you are having end of the year service parties or whatnot for your employees, but this particular employee roster actually calculates the date, how many years of service you have based on your hire date. So I've already put that formula in there for you. So I wanted to share this with you really quick because I know there's been a lot of searches and I've gotten a lot of emails on or messages on Etsy. Julie, do you have an employee roster? I know you have a lot of different templates, but can you give me the one that you would, which would be best for me on my end? So this is it, and I hope you guys like it. And let me know if you have any questions or need help with any of the color coding. I'm here to help. As always, subscribe and like the video. And I hope everyone is having a great Thanksgiving week. Thanks so much.